Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2013 Buick LaCrosse Premium Group all-wheel drive, stock number X331XX. Only 76,000 miles and there's one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Atlantis blue metallic in color. The LaCrosse is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers, and split seats fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Nice sized trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This premium group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded 11-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, power driver's seat with memory settings for 2 drivers. Large, easy-to-read gauges with driver information system. Wood and leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio. Dual-zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect media devices. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this LaCrosse has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 303 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimate, an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. And don't forget about the safety and security of all-wheel drive. For more information on this LaCrosse, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.